My product today has helped scores of entrepreneurs turn their dreams into realities. With our 7-step process, we've been successfully launching innovative products throughout the years, paving the way for creative minds to bring promising new ideas to market. We've carefully vetted our global manufacturers to ensure that all products meet your exact specification after you've approved the pre-production sample. Rest assured knowing we take full responsibility for ensuring superb product standards each time. Standing out from the competition starts with being recognizable. Our team will give your brand a comprehensive makeover, creating an eye-catching logo and packaging that not only looks great but is optimized for shipping too. It's time to take your product into the world. We provide comprehensive strategies that'll get you off the ground and running. From building retail and wholesale sales channels, crafting compelling social media campaigns, to setting up a fully functional e-commerce store, we help entrepreneurs maximize their revenue potential from launch day onward. Are you ready to make your mark in the world? My product today is setting the stage for innovative minds like yours to get their ideas off of paper and into reality. Schedule a free consultation with our team now. Click on the link below for more details.